Okay guys, this could be considered a bonus video. I'm going to show you how to quickly create a list in Aweber and how to put that on your site. Alright, so log into Aweber or whatever contact manager you have. The process is similar. So let's go to create and manage lists and then create new list and then give it a name. So this one's going to be WSO Ultimate Guide to WordPress. And then we're going to call this the Ultimate Guide to WordPress. WSO. Bill. And you just fill out the from and the address. And then you can fill this part in too. Oops. Fill this part in too. Click on add. Get rid of this box because it always gets in the way. Click on save settings. Go up here, personalize your list. I need to learn how to spell. And we won't do any of the social media stuff, but you could. Whatever social media properties you have as far as Twitter and Facebook goes, you could click on one of these and make it the default such that anytime you send a broadcast message, that broadcast message will actually get posted to your Facebook and your Twitter accounts, but we're not going to do that here. Okay, so save settings. Scroll back up and you go to your confirmed opt-in, edit this right here because this doesn't make any sense. This is actually going to go out to a customer, so it says we received your request for information from. So what we're going to do is we're going to just change this first line. Thanks for ordering the ultimate guide to WordPress. And then clean up the formatting a little bit. Make sure that your opt-in on forums is required, so it's on. And then put in your success page. So we'll kind of put in a dummy page here because I don't have this page on the blog on the site yet. So I'll copy that and make sure that I make a page for that. Okay, we're done with that. Then the next thing you want to do is you want to create a form, and we'll go bare bones here. We'll just load that, change the button so it's centered, get rid of the footer. You can put something in here simply by typing in and then we'll probably want to center that and save the form, go to the next step and call it form WSO Ultimate Guide to WordPress. And then your thank you page, I always like this smart video version, it's pretty cool. And save the form, go up here to publish. You've got 3 ways to publish. I will install my form. You can hand over the form to your web designer, or you can have Aweber host the form. The easiest way that I found is actually just to use JavaScript, copy and paste that bad boy, and then go over to your WordPress site and paste that in. So we're going to do that right now. So what you need to do is you need to go to here to Appearance and then Widgets, and then drag this text widget. Then you just type in something like this, please register, and then type in your JavaScript there, click on Save, and we'll go take a look at the website and see what it looks like. So this is how you put a form on your website. That didn't take. Maybe it's still saving. Oh, it's down here. Duh. What we want to do actually is move it. So I actually put it down at the bottom. So you can just move it very simply by doing that. Then going back to your site, refreshing the page, and now it's at the top. Okay. Now there are some really cool plugins that you can get for WordPress that automate or automate's the wrong word, that give you a pop-up. That's really cool. Now Aweber does pop-ups as well. If you go back here, now the neat thing with this is you can change your form and put something here like that, hit save, go back to your website, and you'll see that the form changes. It should have changed and put some text in there. There we go. So you can change your form on the fly without ever having to go back to your website, which is really cool. Okay, you see this part right here where it says type inline? That means that the form is going to be loaded right where you put it. You can also choose popover, lightbox, or pop-up. So popover hovers within the web page. It's usually unblockable. All right. Lightbox is exactly like that, except that it darkens the web page in the background. And then a pop-up opens in a new window. It's blocked by most browsers, so you really don't want to use that one. So this is the free version, so we could use it as popover like this. Let's just to show you. Okay, now let's save it. Okay, let's go back to the blog or the website and see what we have here. See how it just pops over? Your users can X that out if they want. Now you can also change the delay on the popover. So see how this says 0 seconds? That means it's going to pop up as soon as that page loads. We could make it like this, and then we can also say display once or show every 5 days, for example. But we're not going to do that. So we're going to always display it. Watch this slide from top. Okay, and we're going to change this to 5 seconds. Save the web form. Go back to your website. Reload it. See that? It slides in from the top. Pretty cool, right? All right. That's all there is to this video. Thanks a lot.